Hello there. Today we'll be doing Neetcode number 16. This will bring us over 10% of all the 150 Neetcodes. We'll be doing subtree of another tree. In subtree another tree, this particular problem, it's very similar to the same tree. The only difference is that we will be looking for the same tree within another tree. So let's do a reset, confirm, and begin a problem. So because it's so similar to same tree, let's write out that function right now. So in this function self p optional, this is not necessary to write out the signature in Python generally. But if you would like to, you can do that. We're going to go with P and Q to optimize the length of our variables. All right, so if not root, so we hit the bottom of the tree, return true. Otherwise, if P and Q and P.val equals Q.val, we will see if more of the tree is equal. We're going to check the left side and the right side. We got to make sure these nodes on the left side and the right side of the tree is the same. And if any case, we'll return false if this is not returned true. To make this a more compelling, more intentional code, we'll just use some else if, and else to make sure that we all know that these are the only options possible for this function. And we'll do the same here in if subtree. If not root. So if there is no root, we're going to return false because there's no way there's going to be a subroot of that. Also, once we reach the end, we run out of root nodes to check against the subroot. Else if root, subroot, not subroot. If there is no subroot, we will also will return true automatically because no root would automatically be part of a root. Otherwise, we're going to check if it's the same tree. If it's the same tree, let's continue checking that. Otherwise, we're going to keep moving on in this particular subtree. We're going to keep checking until we reach the end where there's no root anymore. Is there a sub root in the subtree? So root dot left subroot dot subroot or a subtree of root dot right and subroot, and that covers all of the conditions. And let's run the code. We have runtime error root. This is P and not Q. Runtime error. There is an issue. There is no self here. All right, true. Let's run it. Great. One thing to note is that we can combine this else if and this else if together If either of these are true, we can return true, which saves us a else if. It also might be a little clearer to save this line of code. And that's all for this particular problem is a subtree. This relied on knowing how to get the same tree. All of these concepts are stacking on top of one another. If you have any questions or comments, please comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. And if you want more videos, check the link in the description below. Well, thank you very much for watching and have a good one.